Good evening. My name is Anand Kannan. I represent Innovation Federation. One of the challenge that I have been given to as a national director for this federation in India is the innovation index of this country. Most of the times when I'm going through all the details when it comes to inventions and innovations, I see patents. I don't see products. Now, my biggest challenge is I have to take it back to the world saying why India should be at number 5, number 10, or number 20 when I don't see products coming out, whereas only patent office filings are there. Now, what do you think is more important in this domain? Products or just filing the papers in the Pura?
Just filing an application and getting a grant is pointless if it is not going to create value in the marketplace and create wealth for the stakeholders. And to give an example, the way it is done strategically worldwide, globally, I'll take the example of the Gillette Mark II.
Yes.
Gillette Mark II, just that twin blade shaving razor, which Gillette launched in 1990s, and it was a global hit. I mean, it presumably captured 80-90% of the market share, global market share that is, had 66 patents to it. I mean, some of those were utility patents, others were design patents. So unless and until you look at the product holistically and look at the impact of that product in the marketplace, you will not be able to address the innovation challenge and the product challenge effectively. So I think there is a need, because I see, most of the professionals who are there helping startups and innovators protect IP, I see are pretty much working as agents who will fill a form and present it to draft the claims in a particular way. And the real need is for an extension of the startup in your IP partner's office that will work with you collaboratively to make sure that you end up with a product or an idea that has impact in the market, that disrupts the market, that compels, that has a compelling value proposition. So if you really look at it, the input that is missing is the marketing that has to dovetail with the technology and the product development and the design piece. There, I think we need a little bit of course correction in our policies, and I think we can do it. And again, to take an example, BEL was set up in 1960s, whereas Samsung, late 70s, early 80s, BEL in electronics is 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 crores. And here you have 150 billion, 200 billion global giant, Samsung. And the way the Korean economy itself was built, the Japanese built the Korean economy. Not many people would know this. They would fly Japanese designers and engineers over the weekend, give them fancy salaries for this moonlighting, get them to come to Korea because it's just a 3 or 4 hour flight. Get them to come there, work on the next generation, next idea, next product. And that is how South Korea, that is, became a powerhouse.